Here we go. Super late today. Poor planning by me. But we're going to get it done. 45 minutes. Let's go. Oh, I forgot my water. Enforce invariance. You have to delete all assertions manually. Sorry, what? Pick the correct statements about assertions. Assertions help you detect bug conditions before the bug manifests itself, right? Because if you assert it and then you can also use them for logging, I think. Assertions help you if maybe it's those two. You have to delete all assertions manually to disable them in your code. Assertions help you enforce. I guess I don't know what an invariant is. They're used for logging. Assertions help you detect bug conditions. Bro, is this for real right now? Is it just all of them? Dude, what is this asking me to do? What? All right. Rough start. They already help enforce invariance. So then they're used for a lot. So they're not. I don't understand. Oh my God, dude. I don't understand. Why do they become available once you solve the problem? They're hints. No, it wasn't. Oh my God. I literally don't know. Oh my God. Okay. These ones are just, you don't even have to read the code. How does the assert keyword work in the following example? If you get an x that's greater than or equal to 0, it throws an error if the condition in the parentheses is evaluated to be true. No. If it throws, an error or an exception? Probably an error. We'll find out. Is that for real? This is silly. Wow, we're so close to finishing this. After the code is written, you need to make the computer run the program. As computers don't understand the source code, it needs to be translated into a computer comprehensible format. That's where a special program called a compiler comes in handy. The code obtained after compilation is called native code or low-level code. Each computer platform uses different low-level commands, just like people around the world speak different languages. It creates an additional challenge to use a program on different devices. In the world, Java compiler. Java C or JVAC? What do we call that? Let's go JVAC. It sounds cooler. The JVAC tool for Java, or the it's like so obviously Java C. Kotlin C, tool for Kotlin translate source code into an intermediate representation known as Java bytecode stored with files with a class extension. Computers can't read bytecode without translation, but a system called the Java virtual machine can execute it. All right. Which of the following programming language can run on the JVM? Shoot, is it all of them? I don't know what Scala and Groovy are. I guess it's other forms of Java. What does a compiler of a JVM language, such as Kotlin, translate the source code into? Byte. It's probably bytecode, not machine code. Bytecode turns into machine code, I think. In the world of Java, there is a document called the JVM specification. What does it describe? How to make a programming language, a JVM language, a set of syntax rules. An abstract computer and how it should work. The Java programming language. Shit. I'm sure it talked about this. Fuck. An abstract computer and how it should work. It helps humans write and understand programs. No, it allows storing a program as a set of bytes on a computer. Maybe it protects the source code. No. It's more compact than the original code of the program, so programmers use it to program faster. No, it makes programs written in JVM language platform independent. Let's dive into terminology. This may be helpful in an interview in the future. Imagine you want to say that a program you're writing in a JVM language isn't bound to a specific type of computers. Instead, it can be used up. Is this for real? What are the words you would use? Like what? Should we end? Let's see, it's 33 minutes. I'm wondering if we should keep going with these. So like boom, 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 and then IntelliJ IDEA, and then basics. Let's do it. You already know how to create simple methods in Java. This is a very useful skill that can help you shorten your code, reuse some operations, and make your program more readable. Step by step, your programming tasks are becoming more complex, so your methods, that you can create complex programs that is wrapped in one solid method, or even that in the main method. It's better to divide the program into a number more functional. Is this the concept, or are we going to do it? The very idea of decomposing some problems into several subproblems is quite intuitive. If you want to cook pizza, you don't just put all the ingredients in the oven. Instead, you break the process up into several tasks, from making the dough to actually cooking. Functional decomposition is not about cooking pizza. What? But it is based on the same principle of breaking a problem in small pieces. Let's consider an example. Think of a program that simulates the smart home app. I feel like pizza wasn't the best one there. It's like pasta, right? I feel like pasta's better. The app is used to control home devices that can be remotely accessed, or even just baking a cake. Wireless pizza doesn't make any sense, because you do kind of just throw it all on a pile and put it in the oven. It's a neat pile, but whatever. Wireless speaker systems, lights, home security, yeah. Imagine if you have a simple smart home app that can... If we decompose this task, that's how an algorithm... Imagine that you wrap this program in code, but without a single method. That is how its structure would look like. Oh my god, 31 minutes. I like how they didn't show the end result there. Quadratic equation is an algebraic equation of degree 2. It's easy to solve this equation when you know the quadratic formula. Here is a simple program for calculating the real roots of a quadratic equation. Oh, I'm distracted. Okay, I have to focus now. 28 minutes. What should the main method look like after decomposition? Make sure that the method produces the correct output and is properly decomposed. No unnecessary actions are performed. Choose the option 1. Sorry, what? What should the main method look like? Oh, for decomposition. So we scan, discriminate. Discriminant? What's a discriminant? Calculate. Well, you got to calculate it, obviously. And then if the discriminant is one of these things, then we do something else. Honestly, this looks pretty good. Calculate roots. Did I ever learn this? What? This seems pretty good, right? I don't know if real roots is a thing. This is calling two different functions though, right? Like the discriminant, it doesn't matter if it's 0 here because it just does the same thing. And then here, calculate discriminant. If less than 0, no real roots. I think it's 3. Looks good to me. Probably don't need the else statement, but little return, early return. Why decompose a program? Why decompose? What are the advantages? No, separate parts of code are easier to test. Code looks more readable. The code is easier to reuse. Decompose program, no. Method, create full name. Honestly, should I do this? Now let's get crazy here. Actually, no, take it all. The way I would do this, I mean, we could really get crazy. Create full name. So I would never do this in a real program, but let's go. Oh. Oh, what? I have to use their... So boring. Ugh. So boring. Can I do this? Huh. 60 people didn't like it? In a template below, you have a simple calculator that subtracts, sums, divides, multiplies the two numbers inside. What am I supposed to do here? Take a look at the template and decompose operations. I'm supposed to do. Okay. Should these be long? Fuck. Oh, dang it. Longue. Longue. Cafe Longue. Return A divided by B. And then what is operator? Oh. No. Dude, why would they do this? They're just trying to trick me. Oh, don't do that, dude. Why do they do this? You never just log results. It's so ridiculous. Why would you ever do that? So annoying. That's why all these were... Ugh. I don't understand. What do you want from me, dude? Because I changed it. Fuck. Dude, I hate some of these. Oh my god. Just like, why are you testing this? I don't understand. Why? Oh my god. Like, what's the expected behavior? Does it even say? Note that you can't, in your second division by 0. God. It's just like, I don't know what the emphasis on math is here. Just ridiculous. Dude. Because you're not returning anything. See, this is why I hate print statements. It's just like, why do we not return stuff? Just call the function for me. You can already do that. Oh my god, it's just so annoying. Oh my god. It's like... I literally hate this. I hate this. I just like, what, a ternary just doesn't work anymore. I just don't understand why is this the thing, you know? Like, why am I sitting here dealing with... God, it's so annoying. Fucking print statements. Alright. Let's see if that works. No, it's still because of a semicolon, because we don't do that. Super annoying. Oh my god, get me out of here. What the fuck? Select the main tools of functional decomposition. Methods, probably. Why? Oh my god. That takes an integer as an input. If the number is divisible by 3, it should print fizz. If it's divisible by 5, it should print buzz. Oh my god, just like imagine. I don't understand why. It's like the most contrived example ever. Public static boolean is div by 3 int num return mod num mod 3 equals 0. Let's do this. Oh. No, shit. Fuck. Is this a multi? Oh, fuck, it's a multi-select. C and D have reference the same value, and then A and B store the same value. No. Classifying variables as primitive or reference in Java. Consider the following code snippet in Java. What are the correct classifications for variables A, B, and string? A is reference, B is reference, string is primitive. What? No, string is reference, A is reference, and B is A and B is primitive. Those primitive numbers. Like cavemen. What keyword is used to create an object? What keyword is used to create an object? Of a reference type? No. Create a variable of the primitive type, integer value. Create a variable. I mean, like, you're just not gonna tell me what. But okay. Okay. Fatal. Someone died because of this bugs. Oh my god. Let's hit it, bro. Look, it knows. Termination of the program, fatal. Unexpected result, error. Look at that, instant. I know instant. Finding a problem, ordering pizza online, statistics. What? What? What are common reasons for generating a log? Download a website. Downloading a website, finding a problem. Let's do these two. Bro, like you can't. I don't like these subjective ones, man. I don't know. I literally don't know what you want from me. Like, what are you talking about? I've seen. I don't know why they do these subjective questions. It's so annoying. Oh, God. Like, that's not true. You log everything. Come on, man. It's so annoying. Ugh. Okay. All right, this is where I got a minute left. I'll pick up here tomorrow. It'll be fun. We'll get to add IntelliJ. To be honest, I might do these on my own, but I don't know. I'll have it here. We'll get it done. All right. The page. Bon oui. French for sweet dreams.